What should you expect from philosophy? We all begin any study, any activity with premises, with certain beliefs. And philosophy is, as I see it, it's a building of fundamentals, fundamental concepts, fundamental ways of thinking, giving structure to your thoughts, giving logical structure to how you think about your questions, the things that are important to you. And big picture, the idea is to clarify your understanding of the world that you live in, whether it be reality itself. What is this place? What's going on with this earth and nature? All these trees and the water and the vegetation and everything, like life playing itself out over time. Like, what's causing that? Questions of that kind. And then, of course, where most people spend a lot of their time is trying to figure out human behavior. Like, why are these people over there doing what they're doing? Why does this guy over here believe that? Why did he say that? Why is he doing that? And philosophy, again, bringing order to your thought, allows you to make a great deal more sense of people's behavior and the natural world that you live in. And even better than all of that, it helps you to make better decisions for your own life, because of course your life is what you have control over to whatever extent. You have some choices over what direction you go in, and philosophy done well will put you in a position to make better decisions, more informed decisions, and to extract more richness from life. So yeah, that's the big picture. Is you're looking to clarify your thinking, both about what's going on out there in nature, what's going on out there with other people, and then what you should do, what choices you can make and should make moving forward so that you'll enjoy your life.